Hello, my lovelies. Today we're going to talk about listening to others. Make it our purpose to listen to others. So many people are feeling down this time of year, and I just want to get the message out to please listen to others around you. They may not tell you they're lonely. They may not tell you they're hurting or anything. They don't want to mess up your holiday, your Christmas season. But there might be a neighbor that you don't see have much company. There may be somebody in your community that you can check on. I am concerned for the lonely people out there, and if we each are able to do just a little bit in our community, in our neighborhood, next door, wherever we live, in the city, the country, or anything, it can make a huge difference. It's like night and day when somebody is nice to you and brings a blessing to you. Even if it's a hug and a smile, a kind word goes a long ways. Just know that somebody noticed you and you're still valuable in this world, which everybody is. We all have a role to play, no matter what our past is, no matter what our future is. We have a role to play. But if we can help each other through this time and our lives, and reach out to one another and just give of ourselves, even if you don't have resources or extra resources, if you give of yourself, maybe there's just some little act of kindness you can do today that will make a huge impact on somebody today. With that, I encourage you to do so. Please like, share, and subscribe, and know that you are deeply loved. God bless you all. Love and light, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.